Hey guys, I'm Saurav. Welcome to my channel. According to the weather, it's freezing rain here in Montreal, and I've never seen anything like this before in my life. Basically, the water freezes as soon as it comes in contact with any surface. When I saw this, I knew I have to get out with my camera. So let's shoot some photos and enjoy this beautiful weather. The first shot is simple. Nice details on the frozen ice and a bit of warm colors from the traffic behind that complements the overall cool color palette of the image. I'm a huge fan of using complementary colors in capturing abstract images. The gear for today is Nikon Z9 with the 7200 2.8. The reason I use the 7200 is because I can frame subjects from a distance without getting closer to them. For the next shot, we have a Japanese flag surrounded by branches covered in ice. Street photography is fun. It keeps you on your toes as you never know what to expect. You also pay closer attention to details that you may have overlooked otherwise. For the next shot, I saw a jeep in front of me, but the view was obstructed by these two people, so I used them as foreground elements. When I'm photographing any subject, I try to keep the composition as simple as possible. The reason I love shooting streets is there is no particular subject in my mind. I point my camera to anything that I see and just enjoy the process of taking pictures. Have to be extremely careful because the roads are slippery. At the same time, keep my eyes wide open and look for frames around me. Okay, I think I got one. I'm going for a symmetrical shot here with the tree at the center and the person passing by. A benefit of shooting in non-ideal weather conditions is that you can capture people struggling to face the elements of nature, which can make for an interesting subject to photograph. I would have liked to show you some more POV videos, but unfortunately my GoPro died. But I did manage to capture some more images that day. Whenever the weather turns bad, I make a point to grab my camera because every time I head out, I get to witness something unique. Non-ideal weather conditions can often lead to ideal conditions for creating aesthetic and moody images. For me, the primary goal behind these photo walks isn't necessarily to capture good images, but rather to relax, unwind, and let go of the stress of daily life by simply enjoying the process of taking photos. When I have a camera in my hand, nothing else matters except the frame in front of me, allowing me to stay focused and calm. It is perhaps this ability to immerse myself in the moment that makes me so passionate about photography.